Hey everyone, it's Valerie here at Cash Budget Retiree. This is where I love to stuff real cash into envelopes so I can save money toward my personal finance goals. You guys are in the right place because this is going to be a fun card trick game that I love. I will say it's a card trick savings game. This is where I take I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to look at them, okay? So I've got all these cards. There's aces, twos, threes, fours, and I've added them up. All the points add up to the amount of dollars that I have here. Now, I will say this is my second time recording this, and I'm in a hurry to get to my friends for the Super Bowl. So I'm not going to recount all this. Trust me, it's $36. There's $4 left not left, but boosted from my Fun Day Sunday video, and we are going to put however many cards let's do it this way. I'm so sorry. We're going to roll the die. However many cards it says to put on each of these, we are going to put that number of cards on, no matter what the numbers on this side of the cards are. Can you see them? I'm not looking. And that will pertain to the amount of dollars that goes on each card. All right, so far envelope 1 and 2 both have $2 bills. Envelope 3 has 3. Envelope 4, you get 3. Envelope 5 gets 2. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see what happens. 2 for envelope 6. And this is only 1. Where should I put it? Just going to put it there. Okay. Now, let me make sure. Yes, you can see. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's make sure. There. Okay, thanks for waiting. All right, so we are done with this. So now, let's see how much each of these envelopes got. Okay. First envelope has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 6 bills. Now I don't have any spicy 5s, but that's okay. It's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on that first envelope. The next envelope has 7 bills. All right, 7 bills, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Envelope 3, you got how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 on that one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, you guys, these last two are hogging all the money. All right, maybe those challenges need more. That looks like 5 to me, folks. What do you think? We are going to put 5 on envelope 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is envelope 5. What'd you get? You got 5 also. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And envelope 6, look, you got 6. Oh my gosh, this should be $6. It's hard to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's great. Now this one, these are 4. I'm going to decide where to put them because I don't know which one didn't get very many right now. They all seem to get pretty well. I think these 2 are the ones that got 7, or maybe it was these 2. Anyway, so envelope 1 is, I'll just leave it there. All right, envelope 1 is Amazon, and Miss Amazon envelope, oh my land sakes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is going out on the 11th of February, so February 11th plus 6 equals 14, and 6 should be 20 the way I count. It better be 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh my gosh, you guys. 18, 19, and 20. My birdies are singing. Not really. It's just me. All right, $20 for Amazon. Excellent. This one now is envelope 2, my business training. How much did this one get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 7 for my business training. And let's add, okay, February 11th plus 7 is $15. Okay, this should come up to 15. It better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, good. Okay, let's put this back in the envelope. Business training. Had an opportunity to extend the training that I recently took, and I wanted to, but then I thought, I don't know. I wasn't real sure, so that's why I was like, no, I don't think so. Okay. All right, envelope 3. I think this is 3. That says 4. Okay, envelope 3 must be in my hands, but oh, where did the money go for envelope 3? Holy smokes alive. Let's see. Okay, this got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. It did get 7. All right, so what happened to my money from envelope 3? You guys. Okay, tell you what, I don't know. I don't care. The $4 that I had from my Sunday fun day or fun day Sunday, that's getting $4. And when I find the other ones that should go to Canva, we are putting it in there. So that's envelope. It doesn't matter what envelope. We got 4, so now Canva has 10. Oh, unless I put it all in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So who knows? It's kind of all going to wash out in the wash. I am not going to worry about it. I am recording this. What time is it? Oh, I don't have my watch on. Okay. It's close to 5 o'clock p.m. Central Time. This is envelope number 4. And this one we know got 7. Oh, come on. There we go. Move these aside. Got to keep these decks separate, right? Okay. Oh. This was in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this was the 7 from before. Goodness sakes alive. This, I think, was 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, sorry for being so easily confused. I am not going to recount that. Let's see. February 11th, adding 7 more. We now have 14. I'm not recounting it. All right. That's for Etsy. Okay, folks. Now we have our envelope 5 is for my personal mailbox. And envelope 5, what in the world? This is envelope 4, 5, 6. Holy smokes and a half. I bet I put the wrong money in the wrong envelope. Okay, $5. That goes to envelope 4. And you know what? I bet envelope 3. I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. All right. All right, that's envelope 5. Gets this amount of money. This 5, I'm going to put it to the side. I'm just too confused. Why? I'm in a hurry. That's why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Adding 5 to envelope 5. And normally, yes, normally I make sure that these are in a pile, and it's a little easier to not get confused. February 11th, adding 5, and this is now going to be $12, okay? Then we have our envelope 6 is for my printer. And envelope 6 got $6. Or, yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus what's in here right at the moment. All right. Let's add our 6 first. Plus 6, we should have 14 in real cash. And we have 20 in the bank. 22, 3, no, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, goodness sakes, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 in cash here. 20 in the bank makes a total of 34 toward my Epson EcoTank printer. All right. Now, what am I going to do with these $5? I think it was supposed to be in envelope 3. I'm going to divide it between 3 and 4. How's that sound? You know what? I really need it in Canva. I'm going to add it now. Let's just live in the fast lane with Valerie. All right. February 11th. We're adding in another 5, so now we have 15 toward Canva Pro. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and $15 for Canva Pro. All right. And I think I need about 120-ish or something for Canva Pro. So, folks, we did what we could. Make sure all of our envelopes are back in. Yes, they are. These are the ones that go in the green deck. And my green deck is right here. Okay. I might use this deck for, look at this, I got it at a yard sale. Let's see, for St. Patrick's Day. All right, and these cards will go in the, let's see. All right, we'll get them all organized. 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, and aces. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you've been so patient, and I appreciate you. If you've been so kind to stay for the whole video, if you would put in the video, or in the comments, let's see, what have I not put in yet? You know what? Put card trick. Card trick. That will be, because that's what we use to do the savings for this binder today. We use the card trick savings method that I designed just for fun, only because I like you. All right, folks, have a great day. I'm going to go watch the Super Bowl. Go Clydesdales. That's who I'm rooting for. Goodbye, everyone.